Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you the steps to delete a passkey from your Google account. While security menus can seem complicated, I'll guide you through this process to make it very simple. Let's begin. First, select your profile picture located in the top right corner of the Google home screen. Clicking this opens a menu containing various account options. This menu acts as your primary hub for accessing different settings and personal preferences. From the list that appears, choose Manage your Google account. This section is the main portal for adjusting your security and personalization. Selecting this will open a dedicated page where you can oversee your private data and account safety settings. On the Account Management page, find the Security tab, which is typically positioned on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking here provides access to all safety features, including password management and two-step verification. This area is vital for keeping your account fully protected. Within the Security menu, locate the Passkeys and Security Keys option. This is the specific area where you manage any passkeys you've set up for extra protection. By clicking this, you can view every passkey linked to your profile and see which devices currently have access. To finish, look at the list of active passkeys. You will see an X icon next to each entry. Just click the X for any passkey you wish to delete. The system will immediately remove it, giving you better control over your security configuration. You have now successfully deleted a passkey from your Google account. Regularly reviewing your security settings is a great habit to maintain. Staying updated on your active passkeys is a simple way to keep your data safe. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. Stay safe.